Díoghaibh is Misha Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn the lyrics of the Wexford carol. The Wexford carol, or Carúl Loch Garman, or Carúl Inishgorhe, is a traditional religious Irish Christmas carol originating from County Wexford and specifically in Escarty, whence its other name, and it dates back to the 12th century. First of all, I'll read it from start to finish, and then we'll go through it with an English translation. O tagaigí uile is ey-reh-gee, an leanbh cneasta sa chró na lyan, is cuimhnígí ghrá an Ree, ah-nukht dar seer-oo ah-nukht ah-nish. Sah Wir-eh Wah-her bawr-huss lyan-uv gwianish is dur-uss an khroh ná dún go joo, go neye-reem festa Mok Ree na home. I meh-hil her lár na hee-ha, chlus an jah-shkay-la dur-uss. Go fullest an saol ón speir-gee the Anglicana ó rian go rian. Lúisígí go beo dúirt Angel-jay, go meh-hil sall is uile. Na lí go séamh mán séer-tí, sin an prinsa Mok Ree. By the way, you can find a chordal rendition of this carol in the description of this video. Now line by line with an English translation. O tagaigí uile is ey-reh-gee, O come all and adore, an leanbh cneasta sa chró na lí, the sweet child who lies in the kettle shed, is cuimhnígí ghrá an Ree, and remember the king's love, ah-nukht dar seer-oo ah-nukht ah-nish, that gave us the infant tonight for our salvation. Sah Wir-eh Wah-her bawr-huss and Mother Mary in God's paradise, lyan-uv pray gently now for Eve's poor children. Is dur-uss an khroh ná dún go joo, and never close the kettle shed's door. Go neye-reem festa Mok Ree na home, so that I may forever worship the Son of the Virgin's King. I meh-hil her lár na hee-ha, east in Bethlehem in the middle of the night. Chlus an jah-shkay-la dur-uss, when shepherds heard the good news. Go fullest an saol ón speir-gee, clearly to all the world, sweetly from the sky. The Anglicana ó rian go rian, angels sang from every corner of the earth. Lúisígí go beo dúirt Angel-jay, come along quickly, said God's angel. Go meh-hil sall is uile. To yonder Bethlehem, and you will find him. Na lí go séamh mán séer-tí, lying gently in a manger of straw. Sin an prinsa Mok Ree. That's the prince, the king's young son. Do you find Irish spelling difficult to read and pronounce? If you do, why not try Crack Irish Gaelic Pronunciation on Udemy?